Hi students of class 12 CBSE. I am here with the new lesson. The Tiger King from Vistas. The Tiger King. What do you think this story may be about, students? The Tiger King. Was the king like a tiger? Anyway, the tiger is considered to be the king of the forest. But here is the Tiger King. Was the king tigress, or he had encounters with tigers? Okay, let us find out in this story. His name was, actually he was popularly known as the Tiger King. Question is how he came to be known as the Tiger King. When he was born, astrologers were called. He was the crown prince. Astrologers predicted that one day the child will die. One day the child will die. Though child would be the champion of champions, the warrior of warriors, the hero of heroes, but one day he will die. Actually, was it a prediction? Was it a prediction that one day the child will die? The child, who was only 10 days old, spoke up that there is this prediction that those who are born will die one day. Those who are born will die one day. It would make sense if you could tell us the manner of the death. It is a fact that one who is born will die. So if you could tell us the manner of death, then it would make some sense. Everybody was surprised. The astrologers looked intently at the child who spoke up. He was only 10 days old and he was speaking up. And not only he was speaking, he had raised a very intelligent question, that the manner of death. Then he went on to say, the chief astrologer, that because the child was born in the hour of the bull, and the bull and the tiger are enemies, the child would be killed by the tiger. The child would be killed by the tiger. Everybody thought that if the child was so intelligent, so mature to speak like that, hearing the word tiger, the child would tremble. But opposite happened. Child growled like a tiger, said, "Let the tigers beware. I have come. Let the tigers be fearful." Okay, this is half truth, half lie. Maybe it is rumor that this happened when the child was only 10 days old. He started growing like any crown prince. Every day he was becoming taller and stronger. And he had the best education, best upbringing that a crown prince can have. He had an English tutor who taught him. He drank milk from the English cow. And he watched only English movies like other crown princes in India at that time. So he had world-class upbringing. He was the crown prince after all. When he came of age at the age of 20, he became the king of Pratibandhapuram. Pratibandhapuram was his state. He became the king of Pratibandhapuram. But people did not stop talking about the predictions made by the astrologers that he had danger from tigers. So when he became king, and Pratibandhapuram had many forests and they had many tigers, so he killed one tiger. He killed one tiger and called the chief astrologer and asked him, "Now what you have to say? Holy man, I have killed the tiger. Now I am free from all worries. I am free from death from a tiger." Then the chief astrologer said, But what? "My lord," he said, "you will be able to kill 99 tigers without any problem. But beware of the 100th tiger. That 100th tiger will be a danger on your life. You will be able to kill 99 tigers, but the 100th tiger will pose threat on your life. Beware of that tiger." Then king asked him, "If I killed that tiger, then?" This can't happen. You will not be able to kill the 100th tiger. If you are able to kill the 100th tiger, I will clip my tuft and crop my hair short. I will burn all the books on astrology and I will become an insurance agent. They talked like that if I killed the 100th tiger, then, and said, I will burn all the books on astrology. I will tear them, their pages, and burn them all. Then I will clip my tuft, crop my hair short, and become an insurance agent. Students, I have given you a small part of the story. Many parts are coming up. Keep revising. Have a nice day.